Hello friends, welcome back. This is Teresa Tommy. Today I am going to share with you a recipe for healthy quinoa fried rice where we are substituting rice with quinoa. Today we are going to use half cup of quinoa. To cook half cup of quinoa, you need 1 cup of water. You can cook the quinoa for about 15 minutes. The other ingredients that we are going to use are 3 eggs, 1 onion chopped, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 broccoli head nicely cut, 2 carrots diced. We are sauteing the garlic, ginger and onion together. Let's add the turmeric powder and the salt now. Give it a good mix. Now we can add our vegetables, red pepper, broccoli and carrot. Let's mix it well. 2 minutes and the vegetables are nicely sauteed. We are moving the vegetable to the side of the pan to make a space in the middle. We will put some oil in the middle. And we'll add the nicely beaten eggs. This is to make a scrambled egg. Cover the pan for 1 minute. After 1 minute, open the pan and scramble the eggs and mix it with the vegetables. When the quinoa comes to a boil, lower the flame and cook it until the whole water is absorbed. It's been 15 minutes and the quinoa is nicely cooked and all the water is absorbed. Now we are going to add the quinoa to our stir-fried vegetables. Mix the quinoa and the vegetables nicely, and now we can transfer this into a serving dish. Quinoa stir fry is ready. Now we can garnish it with some crushed peanuts.